this lecture, I will give instructions on installing ADCME on a Mac system. If you use Linux, I have a lot of lecture for installing ADCME on Linux system. Unfortunately, if you are a Windows user, ADCME does not have a full features on a Windows machine. So I would recommend you to use FarmShare 2 provided by the Stanford Computing Resources. The first step is to install Julia. You just go to the website, and unfortunately for TensorFlow 1.15 and there's a compatibility issue with Julia release 1.4. So I would recommend you to install 1.3 instead. And so you go to all the releases and double click and click it. I already studied downloading Julia 1.3 for you. You just click here, you will get a package, and then you click it, it will install it for you. Then you will see a Julia icon like this in your application folder. You need to see this on the desktop. I just drag it here. So you double click it, and a window pop up, and you will see that Julia repo is already studying. You will see a location here. This is where Julia is located, and you will find the directory where Julia is located in. We copy this directory, and we open new terminal, and we need to put this into the system path. Yeah, you can find the instruction on the website. We added to bash profile. But if you're using other shell system, and you need to take care of that. Okay, open new terminal. Make sure you can use Julia by just typing Julia. Okay, the first step after you open Julia is to install the ADCME package. To install this package, just tap using pkg, which loads the package manager, and pkg.add ADCME. Yeah, and you will see that it is downloading the ADCME package and installing for you. And this will take some time for the first time, and the next time you use it, it will not take too much time. Okay, now let's see. We already installed ADCME here. The next step is to build the ADCME. Actually, it will build automatically for you, but it does not build for me because I already installed ADCME sometime earlier. For you, you need just to use build ADCME, and this will download the dependencies you will use in ADCME. This will take some time for the first time you are building ADCME. Okay, now we already built ADCME. The next step is to use ADCME. And it will pre-compile ADCME the first time you use it, and you will see a lot of warnings, but that's okay. The next time you use it, it will not give a pre-compile ADCME, will give those warnings. Okay, let's see if ADCME works. Let's create a constant. A constant which is a random vector of 10. The constant here means that this vector is assumed constant in the course of optimization. Okay, let's see what's the value of A. To do that, you create a session, which is very much like the TensorFlow syntax, and you also need to init a session because you might have some variables to be initialized in the when you create the graph. Okay, let's run session. You can see this is the value of A. Okay, now we already installed ADCME. Enjoy.